Hey guys, it is Monday, Memorial Day, and I have a few orders to pack. I just packed up a typewriter. If I can show it, I will. It's a Smith Corona, nice vintage 1950s manual with green keys. Pretty cool. I just figured something out here, man. I hate peanuts. Peanuts suck. And I don't like using them. I don't like unpacking anything that has them, and I'm sure nobody else does. So I had to really cushion this typewriter. I sent a accordion out, and it came back damaged. Instead of cushioning it, I used 1-inch foam, and it doesn't help. It doesn't help. So what I've been doing is playing around with this idea. I have a couple rolls of bubble wrap and newspaper, and a lot of people don't like newspaper, but I don't care. It's free and it helps. What I've been doing is rolling it up with bubble wrap, and it creates a nice cushion. I mean, it's better than just bubble wrap alone. It doesn't look pretty, but man, it creates a hell of a cushion. Roll it up. Because now I'm paying for bubble wrap. So I have to be more frugal. So that's it, man. I mean, it's actually working out well. Newspaper's free. We got about 1,000 of them out there, and looking pretty good. So that's what I'm doing. To tell you the truth, I mean, I've heard a couple people say, you know what, they don't like using newspaper because it looks kind of shoddy and unprofessional. But you know what? If you got wrapping paper, that meat wrapping paper, whatever the hell it's called, use that too. It won't look as bad. And just wrap it up with some bubble wrap. It gives it a really good cushion. Works out great. So that's my tip for today. All right. Well, everybody have a great Memorial Day, and I don't know, hopefully this will work out. I'll get this typewriter to wherever it's going in one piece without damaging it. Yeah. See you soon. Yeah.